Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and let's talk about dividing rational expressions. So paano nga ba mag-divide ng rational expressions? So ang first step natin is for us to write the equivalent multiplication statement using the reciprocal of our divisor. So ang gagawin natin is we're going to apply the keep, change, flip method sa pag-divide ng rational expression. So we keep the first fraction and then change the operation to multiplication, then flip our second fraction. So take note, hindi pwedeng maging 0 si Q, R, at si S kasi magiging undefined yung ating rational expressions. Then, after we perform keep, change, flip, ang susunod natin gagawin is to factor our numerator and denominator. Tapos, let's perform cancellation method and then we multiply the remaining numerators and denominators. Okay, so let's have some examples in dividing rational expressions. Alright, let's divide this rational expression. So, ang first step natin pag nagde-divide tayo ng rational expressions is for us to apply keep, change, flip. So, apply natin yung keep, change, flip natin. So, si 4a squared b over 9c squared will be the same. So, keep lang natin siya. Change natin yung division symbol to multiplication. Tapos, yung ating 12a cubed b squared over 27c cubed, we will get the reciprocal of that. So, kunin natin yung reciprocal niya. That will give us 27c cubed over 12a cubed b squared. Then, let's apply factoring. So, i-factor natin yung ating numerator and denominator. So, knowing that we have monomials for our numerator and denominator, let's apply prime factorization para mas madali tayong mag-cancel. So, yung ating numerator, 4a squared b, meron siyang prime factors na 2 times 2, tapos dalawang a, tapos isang b, times 27c cubed. So, 27c cubed, may prime factor siya na 3 times 3 times 3, tapos tatlong c. So, c times c times c. Okay. Tapos na nating i-factor yung numerator natin, punta naman tayo sa denominator natin. So si 9c squared, yung prime factors niya, we have 3 times 3, tapos dalawang c. So, c times c. Then, it is multiplied to 12a cubed b squared. So, yung prime factors niya ay 3 times 2 times 2, and then tatlong a and dalawang b. Okay. So, now, nakuha na natin yung factors ng ating numerator and denominator. Ang next step natin is for us to apply cancellation. So, cancel natin lahat ng common factors natin. So, start tayo kay 2. Okay. Common factors. Tanggal yung lahat ng 2. And then, yung common factors na a. So, yung a natin. So, common factors. Tapos, punta naman tayo kay b. So, isa lang yung common na b natin for numerator and denominator. Then, for 3, we have 1, 2, and 3. Tapos, sa c naman, cancel natin lahat ng common factors ni c. Let's multiply the remaining factors of our numerator. Tapos, yung remaining factors ng ating denominator. So, ang natira na lang sa numerator natin ay si c. So, our numerator will just be c. And, yung ating denominator, ang natira ay a and b. So, a times b will be equal to ab. So, our final answer, the quotient of these two rational expressions will be c over ab. And that's it. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's divide these rational expressions. So, meron tayong x squared minus 25 over x plus 2 divided by x minus 5 over x squared minus 4. So, para ma-divide natin itong dalawang rational expressions na to, we will apply keep, change, flip. So, we keep the first rational expression, change the operation to multiplication, and then flip our second rational expression. So, magiging x squared minus 4 over x minus 5. Then, ang susunod nating step is to place them in one fraction bar and then factor our numerator and denominator. So, yung factor ni x squared minus 25, yung factor niya will be x plus 5 and x minus 5. Yung x squared minus 4 naman, yung factors niya will be x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now, yung denominator natin, x plus 2, yung factors niya will be just x plus 2. And yung x minus 5, it's already prime. So, we will just copy x minus 5. Now, na-factor na natin yung numerator and denominator natin. Let's cancel the common factors. So, pwede nating i-cancel si x minus 5 and si x plus 2. Okay, so ang natira sa numerator natin is x plus 5 and x minus 2. Sa denominator naman, since walang natira, it will just be 1. Okay, so since wala na tayong denominator, we will now multiply x plus 5 and x minus 2. That will give us a product of x squared plus 3x minus 10. And that will be the quotient of our rational expressions. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Let's divide this rational expression. So, first step natin in dividing rational expression is for us to apply keep, change, flip. So, we apply keep, yung ating first rational expression, change the operation to multiplication, and then flip our second rational expression. So, flip natin si 2x plus 4 over 2x plus 3. So, magiging 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 4 na siya. Okay. Then, let's apply factoring. So, factor natin si numerator and denominator natin. So, start tayo kay 4x minus 6. Let's factor this using common monomial factoring. So, yung common factor niya is 2. And then, yung other factor niya will be 2x minus 3. Ayan. Tapos, punta naman tayo kay second numerator. So, sa second numerator natin, yung factor niya will just be 2x plus 3 since wala siyang other factor. Now, yung denominator naman natin na 2x plus x minus 3, let's apply factoring quadratic trinomial case number 2. So, let's factor them. That will be 2x plus 3 times x minus 1. Then, let's factor 2x plus 4. So, meron siyang common factor na 2. And then, yung other factor niya will be x plus 2. Now, let's apply cancellation para ma-simplify natin yung ating rational expression. So, cancel natin si 2. Then, cancel natin si 2x plus 3. Okay. So, ang natira sa numerator is si 2x minus 3. Ang natira sa denominator is si x minus 1 and x plus 2. Now, let's multiply x minus 1 and x plus 2. That will give us a product of x squared plus x minus 2. So, yung final answer natin, yung quotient ng ating dalawang rational expression will be 2x minus 3 all over x squared plus x minus 2. And that's it. That will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's divide these rational expressions. So, ang first step natin pag nagde-divide tayo ng rational expressions is apply keep, change, flip. So, apply natin yon. So, keep the first rational expression, change the operation to multiplication, and then, let's flip the second rational expression. So, we get the reciprocal of our second rational expression. Then, let's apply the rules in multiplying rational expressions. So, first step natin is to factor our numerators and denominators. So, yung numerator natin na x minus 8, since prime na siya, that will be x minus 8 lang. Place natin siya sa loob ng parenthesis. And then, let's factor x squared plus 7x plus 12. So, we can factor this using factoring quadratic trinomial case number 1. So, yung factor niya will be x plus 3 times x plus 4. Now, punta naman tayo sa denominator. Si x squared minus 5x minus 36, factor natin siya. So, that will give us x plus 4 and x minus 9. Now, si x squared minus 6x minus 16, i-factor ulit. Okay. I-factor din natin siya. That will give us x minus 8 and x plus 2. So, now, na-factor na natin lahat ng numerators and denominators natin. Let's apply cancellation. So, let's eliminate all common factors. So, yung common factors ni numerator and denominator, we have x minus 8 and x plus 4. Now, ang natira sa numerator is x plus 3. Ang natira sa denominator, we have x minus 9 and x plus 2. Now, let's multiply them. So, x minus 9 times x plus 2, that will give us x squared minus 7x minus 18. Now, our quotient for these rational expressions will be x plus 3 all over x squared minus 7x minus 18. And that's it. That will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright, let's divide this rational expression. So, pag nagde-divide tayo ng rational expression, ang first step natin is for us to apply keep, change, flip. So, keep natin yung first rational expression natin. Then, change the operation from division to multiplication. And then, flip natin yung second rational expression natin. So, naka-flip na siya. Then, after applying keep, change, flip, our next step is to perform multiplication of rational expression. So, i-factor natin si numerator and denominators natin. So, yung sa numerator natin na 6x squared plus 9x, meron siyang common factor na 3x, and then, other factor niya is 2x plus 3. Now, yung second numerator natin, pwede natin siyang i-factor using quadratic trinomial case number 2. So, factor natin siya. That will give us 2x minus 3 times x minus 5. Now, tapos na tayo sa numerator, punta naman tayo sa ating denominator. So, sa denominator natin na 4x squared minus 9, apply natin yung factoring difference of two squares. Factor niya will be 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Okay? Now, proceed naman tayo sa ating second denominator. So, 3x plus 15, pwede nating i-factor using common monomial factoring. So, yung common factor niya is 3, and yung other factor niya will be x plus 5. Now, let's perform cancellation. So, we can cancel 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, and yung 3 natin na factor. Now, anong natira sa numerator natin? Ang natira sa numerator natin is x times x minus 5. And sa denominator naman, ang natira is x plus 5. Now, let's multiply x and x minus 5. That will give us x squared minus 5x all over x plus 5. Our quotient for this rational expressions will be x squared minus 5x all over x plus 5. And that will be our final answer. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.